Hoa Nguyen, followed by Reagan Sidney. Good afternoon, Mrs. Nguyen.
Good afternoon, Mayor-elect Cantrell and the council members. And Ms. Stacey Head, if you received an email, that was me. So I wanted to let you know that was me writing an email to you. I'm here, I'm from Mary Queen of Vietnam Church, and I live 2-mile radius from the plant. And so I don't want to reiterate, health hazard, because I'm pretty sure that you have heard a lot about concerns already. So I wanted to leave again. In terms of pollution, cancer, please think about the movie Erin Brockovich. It's so real. So that's one thing I don't want it to, talk about that, because you all know what happened in that movie, and it's based on the true story and not something that made up. And the next point I wanted to bring out is basically, I've just recently heard about this. So Entergy, they really disregard our concern. So I'm here to ask all of you to please reconsider your decision, think about it before you vote. And also the fact that that we have to pay additional money for something we didn't want or we didn't have the voice for. So a lot of us in New Orleans East, we can't afford this additional, not to say that it's going to be in the next 30 years. If you do the math, that's a lot of money that a lot of people don't even have now, let's just say. So I really hate to see a lot of people crying because of their bill is so high. And when I told them this is going to affect you additional money for the next 30 years, they basically speechless. So then, again, other gentlemen, I don't have statistics, I don't have researches to prove it to you, but according to Entergy, some representative of people, they say the data, reliability, safety, and facts. I want you to think about BP. They are a big, gigantic company. Do you think that when they build the plan, they disregard all of this? Look what happened. Nobody can predict the future, but things were bound to happen, and we really don't want that to happen to our community, because we are so close. Again, I leave here asking you all to please reconsider and vote no against this proposal. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mrs. Nguyen. Reagan Sidney.